Well, before I go any further with this, it's now been a couple of days. I'm gonna clean the garage. It's just gotten ridiculous and I'm tired of having to work outside. The garage is AC'd way better. Horrible lighting, still gotta figure that one out, but we'll get it taken care of.
I just wanna ride on my motorcycle. I don't wanna pick up. Just wanna ride on my motorcycle. And I don't wanna die. I just wanna ride on my motorcycle. It was late last night, the other day. I thought I would go and fancy Ray. So I went up and I saw Ray. There was only one thing Ray could say was, I don't wanna pick up. I just wanna ride on the motorcycle. And I don't wanna pick up. I just wanna ride on the motorcycle. And I don't wanna die. I just wanna ride on the motorcycle. Late last week I was on my bike, run into a friend named Mike. Run into my friend named Mike. Mike no longer has a bike. He cries, I don't wanna pick up. I just wanna ride on the motorcycle.
It's a little bit better in here. Yeah. Probably about as good as it's gonna get. Find the broom and sweep all that out, but this garage is a little small for all the stuff I have. I got 240 engines, I got drift spares, tires, I got bead blasting machines, tools, 240 parts. That whole bottom shelf's 240 parts, that box is 240 parts, 240 parts hanging up there, bumpers for the truck, parts for the Buell, paint, and then this mess of a shelf that I have to go through just has miscellaneous random shit everywhere. So we're gonna get that taken care of at a later date. But for now, I'm gonna sweep, pull the Buell in, get started on that. Alright, so this is what we got so far. Last time I pulled all this stuff up, I just threw the handlebars on there real quick. They're still loose. I just threw them so I can roll it in here, put it up on the stands. Carburetor's still dangling. I'm gonna clean all this up and paint it. Seat, back, take the tires off. Let's get ready, keep stripping it down. Alright, well I was going to take this bracket off, but the Allen is all stripped out on it. And no matter what size I try, it's just not coming out. So I got these titanium speed outs and the impact, and hopefully it comes out with ease. I say that moderately because, knowing my luck, it's going to be a royal pain in the ass to come out. Is this a number 2? That's too small. Probably the number 3. I don't know. We'll try it. If I... No, gotta use that one. Let's see. Boy, I hope this works. I doubt it. Let's try. Nope, just spinning. Nope. Alright, I had to break out the big one in the other drill. Let's try that. God, that's massive. I don't know what to, like, other than grinding it off. Hopefully this will work. Oh, drill bit loosened up. Alright. Oh boy. What a nightmare. It's not even close to big enough yet. Oh boy. Alright, well those speed outs didn't work, so I reverted to the old vice grips on the damn thing, and that seemed to have gotten it loose. I swear, you spend money on tools and they work great half the time, and then other times you just gotta revert back to the old vice grips. So this thing has a ton of grease and oil all over it, which paint and oil don't really mix too well. So before I take the tires off, I want to be able to roll it around back to the hose and degrease everything and hose it all down, and then sand it and paint it. Alright, so these are where the pegs mount to, and the easiest way I've found to get these damn things off is a long extension going all the way through with a swivel on the end of it, and you can get in there. That's the setup. It's a 9/16 14 with this, is it a 3-inch extension and the swivel. That's the easiest way to get these off. Alright, well, I got everything sprayed down with simple green. Use about a whole bottle of it. And there we go. So the GoPro died, and I kept working on it a little bit. I got the tank and rear fairing primed and painted the engine, and now I'm working on the seat. The seat was this big bulky thing, and it's nasty, but what I think I might do is I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take all this out and then form it a little bit better. So I've never done this before, so this is my first time trying it, but I already cut the seat pan. I cut it with a Dremel, and then I took it over to the bench grinder and rounded off the edge. It's still a little rough. I got cleaned up with some sandpaper, but I like the shape of that better. So what I'm gonna do now is cut right here, cut this foam out and then start shaping the seat. I got my angle grinder and a couple other little things I'm going to try, and hopefully this shape comes out decent.